lab enthusiasts. Choosing the right fume hood is critical to lab safety and productivity, but with so many options, where should you start? Here's a quick guide to finding the perfect fit. First, consider the type. Ducted fume hoods are ideal for ventilation of high-volume, hazardous chemicals and fumes outside the building. In contrast, ductless hoods use specialized filters to capture contaminants and recirculate clean air, perfect for lower-risk applications. For handling bulky or tall equipment, walk-in hoods provide ample space and flexibility. Next, let's examine performance features. Key factors include face velocity, the speed of air entering the hood, and airflow uniformity to prevent turbulence and dead zones. Testing airflow with the Tricolor Smoke Visualization tool is a great way to assess how effectively the hood contains hazardous fumes. A good fume hood will maintain consistent airflow and containment during variable sash height and lab conditions. Energy efficiency is also crucial. Modern hoods come with VAV systems and automated sashes that adjust airflow based on usage, saving energy without compromising safety. Choosing the right fume hood involves matching type, performance, and efficiency to your lab's specific needs. For expert guidance, reach out GD Waldner, your partner in lab safety and innovation.